Good morning, everyone. I'm Siddharth Dangi. I'm a research scholar at Jawaharlal Nehru University in Delhi. I'm doing my research on science policy, focusing on the forensic science policies. I'm here to attend the 1 week workshop on mapping of scholarly output and its impact using open source software. This workshop has been really helpful. The staff and the faculty here in IIT Delhi has really helped me out to learn certain open source softwares that can help me to analyze my bibliometric data, which will be helpful for my research. I have also learned the nuances of R and RStudio, which has been really helpful, and it might help in my future research.
Hello, my name is Shailendra Kumar Singh and I'm a research scholar in IIT Delhi itself from Department of Management Studies, and I'm doing research in the field of sustainable development goals. I just attended a workshop conducted by Central Library, IIT Delhi, which is about mapping of scholarly output and its impact. And they have used open source softwares like R, OSS, and resources were really intellectuals. They covered things very comprehensively, and they have also in terms of practical also they have put a lot of effort to make us learn, and it was really insightful, and I'm hoping that I will use these tools and techniques in my own research.
Hi, my name is Zishan. I am from NIT Srinagar, pursuing my research in the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, and I am here to attend this 1 week workshop on mapping of scholarly output. The workshop was very well organized, and it was an outcome driven approach, and every day we had a quiz which was fun, and the experience was very hands-on, and we learned a lot about the tools for maximizing our academic visibility, and we approached the research in a very problem driven manner, from visualizing the data to deconstructing it. It was a very outcome based approach, and I congratulate and thank the faculty as well as the members of the entire Central Library of IIT Delhi for conducting such a successful workshop.
Hello everyone, this is Vandana from Aligarh Muslim University. I'm a research scholar in 4th year, and I came here to attend a workshop because it is about the R programming and R software. Here I got to learn about R software and bibliometrics as well as OSS. Here I learned about how to do programming and do analysis in R software, and hands-on practice on visualization software like bibliometrics and OSS. And I'm looking forward for another workshop like this in this institution, and I'm really happy with the whole experience, and the whole experience and hands-on practice that I got first time. So this is all about, and thank you so much.
Bhattacharya. I am from Assam University Diffu campus. I am working there as an assistant librarian. I have attended this workshop of open source, the mapping of scholarly output through open source software, and this has been highly beneficial for me, and I have got to learn many things here. The bibliometric analytic approach is lots of bibliometrics, and also RStudio, R software, and many things which were quite unclear to me beforehand, but now it is very much clear. I am thankful to the technical team who have been relentlessly working for making this particular workshop quite innovative and interesting, and I am really fortunate to have learned many things here. So in future I am hoping that one productive article also I will be able to produce, and it will get published in the Scopus Index journal, and I am really thankful to everybody. Thank you.
Hello, this is Ahmad Hassan. I am a research scholar in Department of Commerce, Aligarh Muslim University. So I attended this workshop on science mapping by using open source software. It is very helpful in the initial phase of your research, as it helps you in finding the research gaps with the data numbers which are available on the Scopus and WOS databases. Although it is also helpful in visualizing your data by data visualization techniques of RStudio and other softwares which are open source like WOS and even Excel also. thank you. So it was a very good experience in IIT Delhi Central Library. Thank you.
My name is Sonia. I am from Ludhiana. I am pursuing PhD at Lovely Professional University in the domain of computer science. Thanks to the librarian IIT Delhi and librarian team members for organizing such a wonderful and informative workshop. This workshop was so interesting and very informative. And all the experts were very dedicated and cooperative. In this workshop, all the sessions were held by very expert members like editors, chief scientists, and IIT professors. And I have learned so many things from this workshop, like visualization and bibliometric analysis using the R and some another visualization tools like VS Viewer and Biblioshiny and so many another visualization tools. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Pallavi Tyagi. I'm working in Delhi Metropolitan Education College as a librarian. I have joined here in IIT a 1-week workshop on scholarly output, and overall experience is very good. The technical team, who are the people who are teaching us, they are very helpful for us. I have learned a lot here in this workshop. Before this, as I am working in a law library, so I was not aware about these scopus and Web of Science, RStudio. So I have learned about all these things here, and which is very helpful. I am also a PhD scholar in Annamalai University, and I think this workshop will be very helpful during my PhD studies. And yeah, it was a very great opportunity for all us. Thank you so much.